is Spencer with Midwest Color Guard, and today I'm going to show you how to do blue doubles. The blue double is a 8-count move, and we're going to start at a right shoulder with our feet in a closed first position. But for this right shoulder, our right hand is going to be inverted. So that means that instead of thumbs up, our thumb will be down. The first count for this move, we will let go with our left hand, and we will bring the flag down to our left side. Count 1. It should be straight up and down. Your free hand should be down by your side. For count 2, we're going to continue this motion, bring it back in front of us, straight up and down. Count 3 repeats the same motion on the other side, down to our right, straight up and down. And for count 4, we'll bring it back up, but we will catch it at an angle across our body like a seat belt. Your left hand should catch it at the cheater. For count 5, the motion will now continue, but instead of a front to back, it will be side to side. So we'll come straight down in front of us. 5, up on count 6, down on count 7, up on count 8, back to that same position we started at. And if we want to finish it off nicely, we can pop back up on count 1. So to go through these moves count by count, we go 1, 2, 3, catch, 4, down, 5, up, 6, 7, 8, 1. As a fluid movement, it will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,